Hi you guys, let's get ready for date night in Charleston. My boyfriend and I are going back and forth between Charleston and Florida to avoid the winter right now because it is so freaking cold in North Carolina. So don't mind the lighting. I waited until the last minute to start filming this. I wanted to film this like 2 hours ago, but I got busy making jewelry and packaging orders, and we're leaving in like 20 to 30 minutes. So somebody requested a makeup tutorial. I posted like a YouTube shorts. I'm not really big on posting on there, but my mom has been telling me to start posting on there, and somebody commented on one of the videos that I posted asking for a makeup tutorial on that look, so that's what this is gonna be. Primer. The lighting might be better. Oh my god. We're actually leaving tomorrow. We're driving down to Jensen Beach. We're gonna stay down there for a week. We're doing like an early Christmas with my family. We might go back to the mountains for Christmas, but because I feel like that would be very Christmassy vibes, being in the mountains. It snowed on the day that we left to come here to Charleston. It snowed back in North Carolina. I forgot to tell you guys, I used my Typology serums. I mixed shade 2 and 3. Look at these circles under my eyes. I have not slept much the last couple days. I had my camera over there initially. Honestly, I liked it better over there because you couldn't see my dark circles as much. Typology concealer. This is in the shade 2. Shit, none of your other bitches getting money like this. Since being back in Charleston, we've only been here, well, we've already gone down to Florida since we came here to Charleston, but since being back, we haven't really gone out to dinner here. We've picked up some food, but we've mostly been just cooking at home, which is great, but there's some good ass food here, and I just can't wait. I'm also super excited for my outfit. This is just a cream blush. I kind of blend it on my eyelids a little bit and on my nose by Rem Beauty, and it's in the shade Curtain Call. I got it at Ulta. Look on my lips. First things first. Alright. Laura Mercier translucent powder. This shit is so messy. I get a little bit on my brush and then what I ever knew. I get my bitch pregnant, I'ma be a better you. I'm gonna take some MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. My boyfriend's coming up here and he's gonna see my tripod setup and he's gonna laugh because I'm literally using a stool as a tripod. And look at my tripod. Look at what I had to use as a tripod. Now, typically I would only either do bronzer or blush, but lately I've been doing both. This is NARS Orgasm Blush. I don't really feel like doing anything to my hair tonight, even though I think it's just gonna have to be natural tonight because I've been curling it so much lately. I think I need to let her breathe and have a break. Taking a little bit of that bronzer, putting it in my crease as an eyeshadow. Now, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the Laura Mercier powder, I did kind of a lot and it's kind of just sitting there on my face, so I'll wipe it away. I'll blend it out later. MAC's eyeshadow in Uninterrupted. They used to, this is so old, they used to sell it in this big container because it was one of their pro longwear eyeshadows, but I don't know when they started selling them in like the smaller packaging. What I do, I buy like the refill pans because they're cheaper and I just throw it in here. So, well, one, it saves plastic, and two, it's cheaper. Zoomed in a little bit. Man, I look tired. Whatever's left over on my brush, I'm just gonna said that I was something. Following up temptations on my line. Okay. Taking this really old Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, I'm gonna take the darkest purple with this angled brush. This is, I don't know, I think this is an eyebrow brush. And I'm gonna just do like a very light winged eyeliner type of thing. I don't do liquid eyeliner anymore, which is so funny. Well, I haven't for a while. But you guys know, if you've been around for a while, liquid eyeliner was my shit. My girl, she got a diploma. She got wet written all over. Alright, now the fun part. The other side. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I only brought it in, the eyeshadow, till about right here. I didn't bring it all the way in. I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow brush again that I used for my crease and just kind of like do a light little sweep. 33 years, damn, I'm grateful that's bad. It wasn't supposed to give us 25. Just to kind of like blend that out a little bit. I don't want to blend it out too much. I remember I was 18. Now, this is perfect because I told you there's a little bit of that powder still left over on my face, but I also have a little bit of fallout from that dark purple eyeshadow, so I'm kind of just blending both away. Max Pigment in Vanilla. Just a little inner corner action. Thought about your impact. These white kids love that you don't give a fuck, because that's exactly what's expected. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. And then a little bit right there. Last time with this eyeshadow brush, just to blend out like that eyebrow highlight. I don't want it to be too much. And then I just take my fingers and I'm hoping for your sake that you... Why are my eyes so red? That's it. The other night I did do bottom mascara too. I don't feel like doing all that tonight. So here's the makeup. I'm hungry. Thinking this leather jacket. This is from the Jacket Maker. And one of my favorite things, I always say this every single time I wear this jacket, I love that it has these zipper sleeves. Whoa. Because if you're wearing bracelets or just trying to take it off or put it on, it's so much easier. I just love that. It's so cute. Okay. I feel the black. Ow. Jesus. Black jeans back on. They did send me this jacket from the Jacket Maker. Super amazing quality. You guys can see it has like all this detailing on the sleeve. There's multiple pockets. I also just found out there's pockets inside. I feel like a lot of women's clothing doesn't offer enough pocket options, and if there are pockets, they're super small, but these are a really nice size and lots of them. And look at the inside. It's like this silky material. It's so comfortable and it's really, really warm. If you guys want to check out this jacket or any of the other jackets that they make, leave a link in my description along with some discount code that'll save you some money. Okay, time to go eat.